No, 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 no. Don't go running to your calendar to see what day it is. And no, this is not a repeat. We are, in fact, with Joe Bellia of Joe's Aroma on a Thursday. Can you believe it?
It's crazy.
It's so nice to have you out here.
Wonderful to be here today.
And he is so excited to cook for us, right?
I am very excited to cook for you.
With some gas today outside at the Pemberton Pavilion,
That's
right?
That's where we are.
Yeah.
We're going to do something different today outside with cooking with gas, you know, my favorite, right? So we're going to make a pizza in this beautiful Italian-made pizza oven.
Oh, that's awesome.
We have the perfect Italian imported crusts here that are made for this oven.
Okay.
This is going to be my first shot at this oven, so we'll see how we do. So today at this beautiful pavilion here in Pemberton, I have in this refrigerator here,
which is,
I mean, isn't that great? It's pretty cool.
It's pulling out.
It's
We're gonna bring out
fantastic.
the cheeses.
Can you imagine having this in your backyard?
Oh my gosh.
This is like a perfect setup right here.
Yeah.
So we got some tomatoes and some cheese.
Okay.
What we do is we're gonna put you know my thing, a little bit of garlic right on, a little bit
Just
of
a
garlic.
little bit, but it's like
You know,
6 cloves.
there we go. And we're gonna put some of this mozzarella on first.
Okay.
Just gonna spread it out if we can, best we can.
So what's it like cooking with your shades on?
Oh,
You feeling super cool?
yeah, I guess you know when in room, we're outside.
Yes.
So when in room, you cook with your shades on. Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
I wasn't even thinking about that, but yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna put that in. We're gonna add a little bit of tomatoes to this.
Okay.
These are the whole peeled Italian tomatoes.
Ooh.
We're gonna go. You know what the theme is here today.
Yes, definitely.
Let's go put some of these
You
on.
go in the Italian oven.
That's right. That's right. So you just want to kind of mash these down and watch your outfits. You don't get it all over.
Yeah, we didn't bring the aprons.
I know.
Yeah.
I know.
I had one
Unprepared.
for today. Too,
Oh,
but-
that just went everywhere.
Yes.
Oh,
Yep.
I'm sorry.
Good thing I wore
That way. It went that way.
We add a little bit of our
Oh
tomato
my gosh.
puree.
Oh, that
That's
looks
awesome.
amazing.
And we're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. I think what I'll do is I'll add a little basil just to get it there.
Now, do I need to grab one of these?
So
nice...
yeah, so choose your weapon. I think
Choose my weapon.
I think the round one would be perfect,
Don't give her that power.
right?
I'm giving him the power.
Okay. So what we want to do with this beautiful oven, this holds the heat, and we'll remove that if you don't mind.
Okay.
You
And
got
we're
it, Lisa.
And we're just going to put this in here and let the oven do its magic.
How long is that going to take, do you think?
Just well, with this oven, probably about 3 or 4 minutes.
Ooh,
Wow.
Okay.
We'll take a look in about a minute or so.
Okay.
See how
So
we're
maybe
doing.
not right now would be a great time to take a little break.
Sure. And then when we come back, I do have some other stuff that surprise everyone. We'll
Oh, I can't wait.
check out what's on the grill.
You guys stay tuned. DelmarvaLife, we'll be right back. Well, we are just taking this pizza out of the oven. It did not take long at
Wow.
all. Look at this fantastic. I wish you guys could smell it because it smells like we are in Italy right now.
It really does. It really does. And Joe, that took no time at all.
No, I mean literally, what, less than 2 minutes?
Yes.
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 So the oven, this oven is about 800 degrees. And I mean, that's the way really pizzas, if you go to Italy and you get the wood-fired oven, the wood-burning ovens, that's what you're gonna get. The nice char crust.
Okay.
We put some fresh mozzarella on top. I mean, this is like legitimate Italian pizza.
Beautiful.
Love it.
So
Love it.
we'll let this cool off a minute or two.
Yeah.
Awesome. We have some other stuff you're cooking up too,
Yes,
right?
yes. So I just pulled off the steak, and I have a pork chop. We have some lamb,
Okay.
Oh
New York
my
strip.
gosh.
I have a little piece of salmon,
Something tells me we're not going hungry today.
a little bit of.
But you're not.
I didn't know what to cook today, so I cooked everything, right?
When in doubt, just cook
So
everything.
we
Right,
have
wow.
this here, all right? And then
And then this is what you're eating today, Alexa.
Oh, the veggies. I'll eat those. But this is all so beautiful. It smells great. This is like an art.
It really is. Well, I mean, it's Joe from Joe's Aroma.
there we go. That was
Oh
all
my
roasted
gosh, smell that.
on this beautiful grill that we have here.
Okay. But you're not done. You have even more.
I do. I have a piece of salmon here that's
Oh,
it's a little bit stuck, but I think we got her. We got her.
You got it.
Wow.
We got her. So we'll put that right
Covering
there.
all the bases here.
So we have all your food categories. Well, as far as protein, we have your lamb, pork, beef, a little more pork, and some salmon there, and some beautiful vegetables as
Yeah.
well.
Your fresh tomato.
Fresh tomatoes from Aroma Garden, right?
That's
And then we have some
amazing.
local corn. So I think pretty much here is just like choose your weapon, choose what you want to eat. As far as,
Wow.
All right.
And,
Do you want to cut the pizza?
Yeah, please.
I
Did you bring
figured.
the pizza? Oh, it's right there. All right.
There we
Nice.
go.
And you know what I like about it is it cooked fast, but
You
the
can
cheese is still intact.
Right, and you can hear the crisp when I cut it. I mean, I couldn't believe like how fast it cooked in that oven.
So what you're saying is we need to get one of these ovens in kitchen concepts.
I think so. I think so. I think that would be great. If we had that, I'd want to be there every day. Though.
Every day would be Mamma Mia Monday
Yeah,
on
I think so.
Delmarva
He
Life.
wants to be there every day anyway.
Yeah, well, that's true.
That's true.
Okay, I think, and everybody who watches the show would like that as well.
Yes, exactly.
All right, is this too hot or?
It might be a little warm. Let's see.
Did we bring forks?
Yeah, I did actually. Sorry.
Oh,
I'm leaving this
okay.
at-
Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
That looks fantastic.
Doesn't that look
Ladies,
delicious? There
Would you like
go.
a fork?
I'm gonna take a bite.
It's gonna be hot probably. But if you close your eyes, would you think you were in a vineyard in Tuscany maybe?
I need a glass of wine.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I need
virtual.
a glass of wine.
There you go.
Oh,
virtual olive oil.
Our next
Maybe
best
don't
thing.
take a swig of that.
Yeah.
Probably not a good
Actually,
idea.
it's good for
especially
you.
this. Oh, okay. Especially this close to the
Yes,
sobbing.
yes.
I am about ready to melt here. This is so good.
Oh my
And
gosh.
of course, this is the kind of food you can get at Joe's La Roma,
That's right.
located
Fantastic.
in Fruitland. Make sure that you make reservations because you are a small restaurant.
We are a small 50-60 restaurant. Yes, I would definitely recommend reservations, or you might be disappointed when you get there and not get a table right away.
Okay. Well, Joe, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Well, I appreciate you having me.
Awesome to watch you cook all of this.
Thank
Yes,
you.
and during the commercial break, we're going to eat all of this.
Okay, well, I'm going to get some veggies.
Okay, all right. Well, coming up next on Delmarva Life, we're going to announce today's winner in the Shark Town Firemen's Carnival giveaway. It could be you. Find out next.